Hey guys, Scott4 here, and today is a very lucky day for me because I received, not too long ago, this package. It came all the way from Michigan, and it was addressed to me, and I know exactly who sent me this, so let's check this out and find out. This is so exciting. This is going to be another, well actually not another, this will be an unboxing video. It's sort of a reaction. So I got my scissors, I got the box, and all that's left is to open it. So let's get started. Alright, that looks good. So yeah, okay, so I'm going to tilt the camera down and start that. Here's the package. It's nicely in frame. Okay. Tilt that up there. Okay, so here we go. Got my scissors. And first impressions of the box, it doesn't look too bad, although I did notice it was kind of damaged there in this corner. I don't know what happened to that. Actually, I'm not sure if this is even my... this might actually be my original box I sent Hartford Games my stuff in, so I wonder what happened to this along the way. I hope nothing got damaged, but we're going to take a look. Actually, top of this, I noticed in the back, it says that there's a value of around $150 worth of merchandise in here. And that's kind of funny because what's in here is probably worth a lot more than that. So, I don't know. Let's take a look. This looks like a good angle, so I'm going to start here. God, this is so surreal. I love getting packages in the mail. It's just so exciting. Okay. Open this little tab. Now I hope they sent me the right stuff, so because I sent them a few items, so all hoping for the best here. Oh yeah. Okay, okay. What is still? Oh, I guess there's this tab here. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Got some cardboard. Yes, I got my modem back. That was very important. Randnet DD. I wonder if this is D1. Yes, this is D1. Okay, good. This is my specific Randnet DD that I recorded. Yeah, no, they definitely use the game. Oh, okay, let's just... Yes. Perfect! Excellent. Got Japan Pro Golf Tour 64. Now, that was the only thing that I had sent them. The rest is just packing material. This is what I officially wanted to see again. I have not actually seen the back yet, but it should be very interesting on what it looks like now. Okay. I wonder if he actually did my request, so... Oh, okay, gotta get this tape off. Okay. There we go, there we go. Unraveling it up. This is probably the original bubble wrap. I wrapped it up again. Oh my god, yes. Okay. Yes, this is the keyboard I sent them. It's in pristine condition, just like I had sent them before. Everyone has touched their hands on these awesome keys. And let's see at the back. Oh, nice, nice, excellent. There we go. We have Richie's John's and Tony's signature. Wow, this is just so unreal. This is excellent. Now, I kind of wish they had written their full names on here, but I guess if that's how they sign it, that's how they sign it. And it was it's unfortunate that TJ couldn't have signed this too, but you know what? I mean, I got 3 out of 4, so I can't really complain here. So I am super excited about that. Let's see if I can actually move this up. Just so yeah, thank you, Tony. I just got it today. Everything arrived safely as planned. I got my keyboard back with signatures here, and thank you. Oh my god, this means so much to me. I know you guys aren't like superstars or anything like that, but it's a, what do I want to say? It's there's more of a sentimental value to this than an actual worth kind of thing incorporated with your signatures. Because I watch your show, and having a part of you guys into my game collection is, words can't describe this awesome feeling. Oh my god. I can't thank you guys enough. Yeah, that's all there was with this unboxing video. Thank God nothing got damaged, so that was good at least. So yeah, that's all there was. Got my modem. I think they actually had their own, but I supplied them with it just in case. Randnet with the disc, my disc. And the disc copy of Japan Pro Golf Tour 64, which they recorded audio for me, so yeah. And of course this thing. Alright, and that just about does it. So I will see you guys later, and subscribe for more awesome content coming from me from the future. This is Guy N64 signing out. Take care, guys.